Let's solve question 3. An experiment was conducted using a concave mirror. A set of values of image distance v was recorded against object distance u in a composite table. If a graph of uv cm square is plotted against u plus v cm, the resulting slope yields a. Magnification, b. Focal length, c. Inverse magnification, d. Inverse focal length. Ask yourself, from what experiment? Concave mirror experiment. Yes. What formula do we know in that experiment? 1 over this equals 1 over this plus 1 over v. Ask yourself, how can I get this graph that is being plotted? Okay, let me look for LCM. LCM of this is uv. This divide this u. U divides uv, v times this, v, plus v divide this, u times this, u. We have gotten the slope. Now, v plus u is the same thing as u plus v. Why do we say that? Addition of two numbers is said to be commutative. Commutative. Look at what we mean. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Addition of two numbers are said to be what? Commutative. That is, they will give you the same answer, 5. That means, therefore, v plus u is the same thing as u plus v. I hope you understood it. So, I can now change here to be what? U plus v. Because of commutative property of two numbers. Now, of sum of two numbers. Now, after gotten this, how can we arrange this so that uv is now what? To be plotted against this. Cross multiply uv times 1, uv, f times this, f bracket u plus v. That means when you plot a graph of this against what? This. When you plot the graph of uv against u plus v, m will be the slope, which is the what? Focal length. Then intercept is meant to be 0. If the experiment is conducted very well, correctly, you will see that it will not have intercept. Intercept will be through this origin. That means if I plot this, if I conduct this experiment well, if I didn't encounter any error at all, uv against u plus v, it will pass through the origin. That is what it means by c being 0. It should pass through the origin. But it is because of the small error we can encounter as imperfect human being. That is why we may not necessarily pass it through origin. So if we couldn't pass through origin, ensure that you solve the error, conduct error analysis, attach the error encountered as well. Yes, that means when you finish writing your answer, let's say I got my intercept to be 1, I must write my error. I must do my error, solve my error as well. This will be plus or minus, maybe plus or minus 0.99, or that is, I must conduct my error. When I say 1 plus this, it will give me an answer. 1 minus this, it will give me 0.0 something, meaning that when they get 1 plus this or 1 minus this, one of them will give you the answer they have in the marking script. Yes. So what are we saying in essence? We are saying that when you plot the graph of uv against u plus v, the slope will be called the focal length, and the intercept is meant to be passing through the origin. That means the theoretical intercept should be passing through the what? Origin. But if your own didn't pass through the origin, let's say it passed like this, it doesn't mean you are wrong. That is what we are saying. If it didn't pass through the origin, note where it passed. Let's say here is 1. Say I have the intercept to be 1. Are you getting it? Then I must get the error in the intercept. Check our videos on our channel. You will see videos where we say how to find error in the intercept. Watch it and see what to do to get the error in the intercept. Now, after doing the error in the intercept, after solving it, let's say we got it to be this. You will say my intercept is equal to 1 plus or minus 0.99. That means 1 plus this can be the answer, or 1 minus this can be the answer. So one of them must give you the answer they have in the marking script. That is what we are saying. Okay? So they said if a graph of this is plotted against this, the resulting slope yields, we have said it, y against x, m will be the slope, and the slope is corresponding to the focal length. So we'll say the answer is focal length. That is for question number 3. So we are giving question like this. Please answer it correctly. If you want us to give you links to all our videos on practical physics, then chat me up on 081-605-22225. This is my WhatsApp number. Chat me up. Ask me for the link. I will post it to your DM so that you will get access to those videos easily without stressing yourself. Okay? Let's go to question number 4.